Richard Gutierrez magbabalik drama sa isang primetime soap. Matapos ang successful last season ng Survivor Philippines at sunod-sunod na award-winning documentaries for GMA News and Public Affairs. Magbabalik si Richard sa GMA Telebabad via a new soap na magiging bagong hamon sa kanyang acting career on TV. Kasama ko na ngayon ang bagong magsasama sa primetime, Sarah and Chard. First, congratulations sa bagong proyekto nyo. Anong bago na makikita namin sa'yo dito sa bago mong show? It's been a while since I played a normal guy. So, hindi ito fantasy, hindi ito action. It's going to be a traditional soap opera na talagang pinaghandaan ng GMA Creatives. Anong klaseng paghahanda ang ginagawa mo for the show? We're gonna have a lot of workshops together with Sarah and Carla. Kami ni Direk Ricky Davao and a few members of the cast, nagkaroon kami ng mga film viewing for inspiration. So, mina-mindset na namin talaga yung magiging look and feel ng show. Makakatambal ni Richard sa unang pagkakataon bilang leading lady, si Carla Abellana. At makakasama rin nila si Sara Labati na for the first time ay sasabak sa isang malaking primetime project. Makakasama mo rin si Carla Abellana for the first time. How does that feel to be working with her also? You know, she's a good actress and I haven't worked with her. And it's gonna be exciting working with her and yun nga, fresh team up din with Carla.
This is the first time I'll be working with him. Iyak ang kissing-scene. Panibagong challenge. I really love the story. Nung una pa lang na-present yan sa amin, sabi namin maganda to. Tapos excited na ako mag-taping. Super excited na ako mag-taping.
How does it feel na makakatrabaho mo si Chard for the first time?
I'm honored dahil alam natin na mahusay siyang aktor at Richard Gutierrez, diba? So talaga masasabi ko na blessed ako kahit pa ulit-ulit, pero talagang nakaka-pressure din.
Samantala, ipinagmamalaki ng bagong proyekto ang isang all-star cast sa pangunguna ng mga showbiz icons and veterans na sina Philip Salvador and Miss Gloria Romero. Magpasok namin, nagulat kami sa lahat ng veteran actors na makatrabaho niyong dalawa. How does it feel to be surrounded by such an acclaimed and award-winning cast? You know, we're going to be working with a great ensemble. It's a great honor to be working with them. At the same time, it adds pressure to us to, to give our best. Kasama ko naman po ngayon, Mr. Philip Salvador. Alam kong first soap mo dito. How does it feel?
I'm very excited. Very, very excited. Alam mo, si Richard, nakasama ko na sa movie, yung for the first time. This time, first time namin magsasama sa isang serye. Si Tita Glo, ngayon ko lang makakatrabaho din. Grabe, sa casting pa lang, natulala ako. Natulala ako talaga.
Matatandaang ang huling GMA Telebabad series ni Richard ay ang matagumpay na pagbabalik ni Captain Barbell last year. Ngayon pa lang, tiyak na pakaabangan na ng mga kapuso ang GMA teledrama na ito. Mga kapuso, abangan po ninyo ang pinakabagong primetime show ng GMA. Inahandog po namin ang talagang bago at kakaibang kwento para...